Stuck with OMA files from a Sony Walkman or NetMD player? This is Sony's DRM-protected audio format from the era of portable digital music. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you play and liberate these audio files. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read an OMA file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. OMA files are audio files in Sony's OpenMG format containing music content protected by Sony's ATRAC DRM system. They store compressed audio from Sony SonicStage software used for transferring music to Walkman devices, MiniDisc recorders, and other Sony portable audio products. Sony OMA audio files use ATRAC 3 or ATRAC 3 Plus compression wrapped in OpenMG DRM encryption. The format ties playback to authorized Sony devices and SonicStage installations through license management. Non-DRM variants may use standard ATRAC encoding without access restrictions. Your first application to test with OMA should be Sony SonicStage from Sony Corporation. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows offers limited control over audio files, so deeper editing needs specialized tools. Open the menu by right-clicking your OMA file and choosing Open with Try Sony SonicStage first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If the OMA file still will not open, there's no need to stress. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, playing with SonicStage. If Sony SonicStage is still installed, open the application and play OMA files from the library. SonicStage manages the DRM licenses and handles ATRAC decoding. The software must be authorized with the same Sony account used to create or purchase the protected content. Next, converting to standard formats. For non-DRM OMA files, use FFmpeg to convert to MP3 or WAV with FFmpeg. I input, OMA output, MP3. For DRM-protected files, SonicStage may offer a burn to CD function. Burn to audio CD, then rip back to MP3 using a CD ripper. This analog hole method removes DRM through the standard CD audio format. Finally, using alternative players. Try playing OMA files in VLC Media Player, which may decode unprotected ATRAC audio. For DRM-protected content, there is no universal workaround, as Sony's music DRM servers have been discontinued. Consider repurchasing important music from modern platforms in DRM-free formats for long-term accessibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.